Hi everybody. In this video session we are going to see regression analysis fourth problem. Okay. So this is the problem is given by using the following data you have to find out two lines of regression, that is x on y and y on x, and from them compute the Pearson's coefficient of correlations. So first you have to find out x on y and y on x, then you have to find out Pearson's coefficient R value. Okay. So this is the data is given: summation of x, summation of y, summation of xy, and summation of x squared, summation of y squared, and capital value. Total number of data they gave 10. Okay. So if they have given this kind of values, so you have to use your b of yx and b of xy, different formula you have to use. So the formula is, I am going to write down the answer here. The formula b of yx, okay, b of yx, that is the coefficient of regression of y on x. So that is capital N summation of xy. This is new formula, summation of x and summation of y divided by capital N summation of x squared minus summation of x the whole squared. Okay, this is the formula for b of yx. Okay, now I am going to substitute the value here. N is the given is 10, and your summation of xy, summation of xy is 7900. Okay, and minus, and the summation of x is 250, and summation of y is 300. Okay, the given data divided by n is 10 into x squared is 6500 minus summation of x the whole squared. Okay, so you have to take down 250 the whole squared. 250 the whole squared you have to take down. So don't cancel this 10 immediately, because after doing this calculation you have to do this calculation and then you have to do the entire calculation, then only you have to cancel. Immediately you should not cancel like that, because here minus sign is there, here also minus sign is there. It's not a single number. Okay, so do this calculation. So if you do the calculation you will get 79,000, and minus, if you do this one, 75,000, 250 into 300, 75,000 divided by, you will get 65,000. Okay, then 250 square, 250 into 250, you will get 62,500. Okay, so now you will get 4,000 in numerator, and the denominator you will get 2,500. So you will get 1.6. Okay, so b of yx we found by using the data. Similarly, find out b of xy. Okay, so for that formula is, let's say x on y. Okay, this is called x on y because xy, no, so x on y. Coefficient of regression we are finding out now. Coefficient of regression, x on y we are finding. Okay, this is coefficient of regression y on x. So for this formula is capital N summation of x y, okay, minus summation of x, summation of y divided by capital N summation of y squared minus summation of y the whole squared. Okay, so substitute the value: 10 into 7,900 minus 250 into 300 divided by 10 into your summation of y squared is 10,000. 10,000 minus 300 the whole squared. Okay, so now 79,000 minus 75,000 divided by, your numerator will be same, denominator will be, you will get change, 1 lakh, 10,000 into 10, 1 lakh minus 90,000. Okay, 4,000 divided by 10,000, 90,000 if you subtract you will get 10,000. Okay, then you will get 0. If you can, so you will get 0.4. Okay. So now we got b of xy. We got. So what is your regression and correlation? You have to find out. No, to find out your regression line. Correlation coefficient is r squared is equal to b of yx into b of xy. Okay. So what is b of yx is 1.6 we found, and b of xy we found 0.4. So if you multiply, you will get 0.64, that is r squared. R, if you want, you have to take a square root of 0.64. Okay, if you take a square root, you will get plus or minus 0.8 you will get. But we got b of xy and b of yx both are positive. So you have to take positive sign here. Okay. So positively correlated. Your two variables are positively correlated. Okay. Now I am going to write down regression equation. Regression equation. So equation y on x first I am going to find out, then we are going to find out x on y. Okay. So y on x formula is y minus y bar is equal to b of yx into x minus x bar. Okay. Here x minus x bar is equal to b of xy into y minus y bar. Okay. Substitute the value, you will get y minus y bar is given. Y bar how to find out your y bar? I'll write down here. Y bar is summation of y by n. No? So what is your summation of y? The given data. Summation of y is 300. So 300. Your n is 10. Okay. Summation of y is 300. Your n value is 10. So you can find out easily your y bar. Mean value you can find out. So 300 divided by 10, you will get 30. So that is y bar. So what is x bar? X bar is, the given is summation of x is 250. So summation of x divided by n, x is 250 divided by 10, you will get x bar is equal to 25. Okay, so y bar is equal to 30 and x bar is equal to 25. So I am going to substitute here. So y bar is 30 is equal to, we found b of yx is 1.6 and x minus your x bar is 25. Multiplying these two data, okay, you will get 1.6x. So if you multiply, you will get 40. Okay, so y minus 30. So if you want to find out y, this 30 this side. So 1.6x minus 40 plus 30. So y is equal to 1.6x minus 10. Okay, so now we found equation, regression line equation y on x. So x on y is the same method. X bar is 25 and this is 0.4, y minus y bar is 30. And multiply these two value, will get 0.4y minus 12. So x minus 25. No? So if you want to find out x, 0.4y minus 12, bring this 25 this side, so minus become plus, you will get plus 25. So x is equal to 0.4y, and if you do subtraction, you will get plus 13. Y plus, because 25 is a greater number, so you have to put a plus sign. Okay. So this is equation x. Okay. So they will give in a different method. So they will give this kind of summation, they will ask you to find out. Otherwise they will give directly x and y, like that they will give x values and y value, and they will ask you to find out b of xy. Okay. So for that we already seen in the first video. I hope you understand this. Thank you.